there were so many things that drew me to this trip, and then in reality it was even better than what drew me.
We wanted to see animals. That was part of it, but I think for us it was the conservation part, the variety.
Yeah, I like the idea that rather than just going and taking, we were actually learning about the community we were visiting and what we could do to support.
So we came here for a trip, but we were able to participate.
And to be able to kind of come, see what we were part of and be submerged in it, like for 10 days of just really seeing it, not being distracted by other things and getting to feel that impact.
It felt very authentic, all of the interactions with the people at the schools, the teachers, the principal, the head man and his family.
We really felt like we were immersed into the wilderness and to the villages of the people here. It wasn't just a sightseeing, click pictures. We got to talk to people. We got up close and personal with the wildlife. And we got to see the balance between the two.
To see whole herds, little babies, then all these big bulls run around through the forest and savanna. I mean, it's just phenomenally rich.
You see these animals in books and in a zoo, but to see them in their natural habitat just takes your breath away.
Just being able to be so close in those blinds to the elephants and watching all the behaviors, because we sat there for hours in some cases, just watching from just feet away. I just feel like I have such a better appreciation for their grace and their just the power of an elephant.
The need was truly there for the animals, and watching them run into the water sometimes, just seeing this is not the hottest time of the year, so I can't imagine when times get even worse or the drought gets worse where they've walked for up to 30 miles.
It's amazing what water does for this country and these people, and that's what these pumps are doing.
The interaction between the people and the wildlife has been very impressive as well, seeing how when they work together they will both benefit.
Having the children join us in the Land Rovers was also quite a surprising and beautiful experience.
And they would hear the truck coming and they were running down the path trying to meet us, and I just loved it. They kept piling on and we ended up with probably 11 in our row that was meant for 2 people, and it was just so much fun, and we had a ball. None of us could stop smiling or laughing the entire time that we were going.
And I would say this is the real thing. This was like, I don't think many tour groups get that fully introduced to a local village or school. That was amazing.
Anyone who comes on this trip would take away a lot personally, as well as just getting your pictures of the animals and all that kind of stuff. You're going to take a lot away that just is a lot more meaningful.
When we travel, we're making an impact whether we think about it or not. And so this travel has a lot of consciousness about having a positive impact, and I really appreciate that, and it's borne out so much more than I even expected.